All right, everybody. 4 ideas to reduce your cash to close on a mortgage. Look, I understand that the market's volatile right now and interest rates are up. And so everybody's rightly so worried about how you get the lowest closing cost or the lowest cash to close on your mortgage. I've got 4 ideas that you might want to explore. But first and foremost, I want to make sure everybody understands. Put down as much money as you can on the mortgage. The best way to reduce the cost of the mortgage and fight rising interest rates is put more money down. So I'm not talking about reducing cash to close by not putting as much money down. Put as much money down as you can. But outside of that, here are 4 ideas. Number 1's the most obvious, seller credits. If you can negotiate seller credits and seller concessions right now, do so. It will dramatically impact your closing costs. Number 2, paying points or paying a discount to buy down your interest rate. Should you do it? If you can get the seller to do it, that's great. But should you pay points to discount the interest rate? I will tell you right now, in most cases, it's not worth it. It's a little more math for this video, but call me and I'll show you how to do the math to evaluate should you pay points. Number 3, waiving impounds. If you have the mortgage product and the credit ability and the qualification ability to waive impounds for insurance and tax, you'll dramatically lower your closing costs because you don't have to establish the impound accounts. Not everybody can do it. You got to talk to your mortgage lender to make sure that it's appropriate for you and understand what all that means. And number 4 is interim interest. This is probably the hardest one to manage of them all. But interim interest is that interest period between the day you close your loan and the end of the month. And of course, if you close your loan early in the month, it's going to be more interim interest than if you close your loan on the last days of the month. I will tell you, this one's more luck of the draw because you don't necessarily want to negotiate a later closing date in the month and then lose the deal. So those are 4 ideas to impact closing costs: seller credits, points, waiving impounds, and interim interest. As always, thanks for checking out my content. Call me anytime. I'd love to chat with you about any of these topics. Have a great finish to the summer. Great success in 2023.